of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls upon MPs to make International Year of Millets 2023 a mass movement. Meghalaya Cabinet approves amendment to the Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022 and amendment to the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2022. Meghalaya government asserts that any construction by the Assam government within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya will not be allowed. And Water Resource Department inspects hydromet station at Treyongryang Mintadu River in West Jaintia Hills. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon the members of the Parliament to make the International Year of Millets 2023 a mass movement. He said this while addressing the BJP Parliamentary Party meeting in Parliament House Complex today. He emphasized on promotion of an ongoing nutrition campaign through millets and food items made from millets to be served to the guests who would attend the G20 meetings, and also stressed on the need for inclusion of millet in the diet of sports persons. Meghalaya Cabinet on Tuesday approved the amendment of the Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022 and amendment to the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2022. The Cabinet also gave its consent to the notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules.
What is this? So let's start it. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced, in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the Act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday assured that any construction by the Assam government within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya will not be allowed. Sangma said this while responding to the query on the Assam government's decision to reconstruct the Forest Beat office at Mukro in West Jaintia Hills. He said that he will review the situation and if there is anything to be done, necessary action will be taken. He further informed that he has been continuously discussing with his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sarma and said if any communication that needs to be done to any agencies or organizations, it will be done from the highest level of both sides.
I'll take a review of the situation, and if there's anything to be done, then definitely we'll take necessary action. And of course, just to share with you that I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level.
The Meghalaya government has sanctioned and regularized the 30 policemen posted on Mukro outpost. Informing this, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the state government have already sanctioned border outposts in sensitive areas along the interstate border with Assam. He also clarified that the police outpost is in Barato while the border outpost is in Mukro. It may be recalled that concerns were raised earlier whether there will be a sanction post for those posted at new police outpost amid the thinning strength of the police force.
The border house has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mokro already the 20 people who were 30 people were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukro are now regularizing.
The Water Resource Department, along with the heads and representatives of various local organizations, inspected the Hydromet station at Treongriang Mintru River. An awareness program on the benefits of real-time data acquisition system was also organized at the Khmer Musiang Bokse Community Hall. Superintendent Engineer Junisi Lingdo said that the objective of this awareness is to sensitize the people residing in the river basin on the importance of data acquisition for further planning, development and management of water resources in the basin. ADC West Giant Hills District DD Singhai highlighted the importance of data collection. Earlier, the Water Resource Department, along with representatives from different localities of Jawai Town, inspected the Hydromet station at Treongriang Mintru River.
The Nagaliang Jogga District Administration hi wan kumban shuai mensil pi baro hi be dan bentah kani program badru ban dang a shu ke ketika diangkat bala Nagaliang District Administration kamtam halor ki eki bede jogga wa mentelu kumban nilai i kini kisnam ki belaya mau ki labun ki developments ki bala wan ladan ke jing persyam ki seng repair kumroban preserve kumroban conserve ke wa mtedu ladan hadu ke put keys ke NGT keys ru.
In women's cricket, the fifth and final T20 international of the 5-match series between India and Australia will be played today at Brabant Stadium in Mumbai. The match will start at 7 p.m. Indian time. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 16.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 19.9 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 71% and in the evening 90%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls upon MPs to make International Year of Millets 2023 a mass movement. Meghalaya Cabinet approves amendment to the Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022 and amendment to the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2022. Meghalaya government asserts that any construction by the Assam government within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya will not be allowed. And Water Resource Department inspects Hydromet station at Treongriang Mintru River in West Giant Hills. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.